share for, if you will, a few minutes about what your practice is about and the folks that you try to help.
Sure. Well, we're an accident and injury firm. We help folks anytime that they've been wronged by no harm of their own. We help families who unfortunately have been victim to a wrongful death within their family. But you know, things like this. We've had a number of clients that have called us up, former clients, current clients, and even just folks wanting some advice. They've called us up and said, hey, I want you to look at this. I've had a sweepstakes. You know, this lady thought she had won, you know, $10,000 in sweepstakes. A reasonable number. She came and boy, she was ready to turn her stuff in, and they wanted her to attach all of her bank account information. They wanted to send it, and they were just going to send the money to the bank account directly, and it was going to be great. And she called us, and we were able to look at it and in earnest call the bank and say, hey, let's just do this. Let's do this with her in there. And she just couldn't, she didn't know what to do. She just didn't know the right steps. So we called the bank. We were able to verify that, that this is not something that she needed to do. In fact, this was a scam that they had seen over and over and over. Yeah. And that's the thing about these scams. They just repeat. Yeah, they come up with new things, new ideas, but you know, the same thing keeps repeating itself. So if you are out there and you are really close on something, I mean, not just any old thing, but if you're close on something, if you feel like, boy, I don't know, I might just send my Social Security number to somebody. Call your lawyer, call your local lawyer, and just ask them to look at some stuff. They'll be glad to sit down with you and rule out whether or not it's something that you ought to do, and they can usually detect it real quick.